My name is Sasha Lopez. I'm a Skyway consultant here in the UK. I'm a representative here in the UK office. What is Skyway? Skyway is this technology here that you see behind me on the screen. We are a new elevated transportation system that we are implementing globally. We are a certified technology. So if you want to know more, please contact me. But it's not about me only today. It's as well why I'm here today is to get the training for to improve myself in presenting myself in front of my audience that comes here to the office in Moorgate Station. We work. And therefore, we have hired Sardinas to come and teach us because we want to touch people in a better way so that they can understand our message that we're trying to get across to them. So Sardinas came here tonight to teach us how to present, and I'm so amazed with what he has been teaching us tonight. I can see the difference. Before I used to put my hands together. Now my hands is more open. I'm more excited. I'm seeing a better future for myself, presenting better. And I think that we all here that are here tonight have done a great job. And I'm only seeing better future for me. Yes, thank you very much for listening to my video message. Thank you.